Could this be the cordless vacuum that finally makes cleaning less of a chore? We're diving deep into the Honiture Clean P7 Pro, a stick vacuum that promises an incredible 80 minutes of run time and a jaw-dropping 50 kPa of suction power. 80 minutes is a bold claim, and while that's in its eco mode, it genuinely gives you ample time to tackle a whole house without constantly worrying about the battery. For those quick cleanups or even a thorough deep clean, it feels incredibly liberating. But let's talk about that 50 kPa suction. This isn't just a number, it translates to real-world power. We put it through its paces on everything from embedded pet hair on carpets to fine dust on hard floors, and it truly impressed. It felt like it was pulling dirt out that other vacuums just skimmed over, especially with pet hair. It claims to remove 95% faster, and honestly, it felt like it. The 600-watt motor really makes its presence known. What really caught my eye was the all-in-one smart touchscreen. It's not just for show. It gives you real-time info on your power mode, remaining runtime, and even filter maintenance reminders. And get this, it reports blockages. That's a game changer for troubleshooting and keeping your vacuum running efficiently. The LED headlights are a simple but brilliant addition, illuminating those dark corners under furniture so you never miss a spot. And for those tricky areas, it effortlessly converts into a hand vacuum. Plus, the self-standing design is something you don't realize you need until you have it. No more leaning it against walls. Charging and storing is a breeze with its wall-mounted dock, keeping everything neat and ready to go. Now here's something truly unique, the dual fragrance system. While it's cleaning, it's also releasing a subtle scent, making your home feel even fresher. Combined with its 99.99% HEPA filtration, you're not just cleaning, you're purifying the air. It's a thoughtful touch that elevates the whole experience. And for peace of mind, Honiture Clean offers a 2-year technical support and a 30-day return policy. It shows they stand behind their product, which is always reassuring. Overall, the Honiture Clean P7 Pro isn't just another cordless vacuum. It's a powerful, smart, and surprisingly thoughtful cleaning companion that genuinely makes tackling household messes feel less like a chore and more like a satisfying task. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance cordless vacuum that goes the extra mile, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.